Hello viewers, my name is Wahid Anwar and welcome in new tutorial of MS Project. We are here today for the introduction of MS Project. We have to create new project in MS Project, so that's why we will click on a blank project thumbnail. Okay, look. Look down in the corner. New tasks are created in manually schedule mode. As you will see later on, there are two types of scheduling, two modes of scheduling. First is manual schedule, and second one is the auto schedule. Okay, most of the time I tend to work in the auto scheduling mode, and after you have been working on a project for a while, you will choose which mode you prefer. Okay, in fact, right now I have a currently manually scheduling mode, so you may or may not have it is this manual scheduling mode, so but it doesn't matter at the moment. Okay, now we have to concentrate on the window of MS Project. Now let's start. You can see in the top left hand corner, you can see we have quick access toolbars. Okay, save, undo and redo. Okay, in the right hand corner you have some standard window buttons. You have minimize, maximize and close button. Now this is the main ribbon area. Okay, this is the main ribbon. It is a big block right across the screen, very near to the top. Okay, I will explain about the ribbons to you in detail in next session. Above the ribbon in the middle, you can see system is showing the project one. So when we will define the name of our project, so system will display the name of our project over there at the place of project one. Now look at Gantt chart. You can see in the left side there is a you can read the Gantt chart. Gantt chart is actually comprises in two parts. Okay, in the right side of the Gantt chart is the chart itself, which is normally a pictorial representation of a task in my project. Okay, on the left side you can see it is the table, and we refer to this is as the table. Okay, let me enter a task here. I'm just going to suppose one task, resource mobilization. Now I'm going to enter its estimated duration in the duration column. You can see, and look in the right side of Gantt chart, you can see the Gantt bar. Okay, Gantt bar for 5 days. Okay, there are many things about its color, so we will discuss about the colors in the next sessions. Okay, now look at the status bar across the bottom. Okay, across the bottom of the project window. At the left hand end there are you can see optional pieces of information. One of the ones that is shown there now is new tasks manually scheduled. Okay, which I mentioned earlier in this section. At the right hand end you can see there are control for views. We can use to set the views of our project. We can use the zoom area, zoom in and zoom out for view of our project. Now something about the backstage. To go on the backstage view, you click on file. Okay, no, so you can see there are many options. First is info, new, open, save and save as access, etc. Okay, in future we have to work a lot on these options. Today we are just you can see only the name of these options. So we will cover all these things in the next videos. Okay, when I have used backstage view, I need to get back to my project again, so I will again click on this button. Okay, so that take me back into my project again. So thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, see you in next video.